welcome back. This was a Sunday and I decided to start a vlog here. This was me on my way to church in my African attire, feeling myself, just on my way. And I hope you enjoyed this vlog. There's a couple of unboxing, one or two things that I prepped with for my daughter's birthday. Just let's enjoy, okay? I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your my daughter clocked 4 and I decided to pack a little bit of party pack for the folks in church who they all attend the same Sunday school and children's class together. So I decided to go for a toothbrush that had the tongue scraper, some socks for girls and boys, hair bows, chocolate, Haribo, stick sweet, some biscuits, some juice and all stuff. So this is the pack for the boys. Toothbrush and the tongue scraper still. So their parents can scrape their tongues and all those things. I love me an intentional gift pack. This is mini actually, but I actually love it. So I'll be your heart and temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. I decided to also spoil myself a little bit by purchasing this Fila sneakers for myself. Truth be told, it's a good dupe for the New Balance 530, I think. Yeah, the 530 one. Broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your as always, whenever I get a new gadget, I like to unbox just for the sake of some of my 1 or 2 subscribers who do not who want to know what and what comes with some of these cases. So this is an iPad, the 10th generation one. I also purchased a pencil with it because I'll be needing it for some stuff. And it comes with this. I think this should be the manual. Okay, this is the Apple sticker you probably see on our Nigerian G's cars, just for them to show us that they have an Apple product. Anyways, moving on. Comes with this USB charger hub. It comes with this USB-C cord as well. So this USB-C cord is going to charge the iPad itself, and it's also going to double as a charger for this one. What else is in this box? I think that's all. That should be all. That should be all. So there's no point going further. So as I was saying, pardon me. Yeah, this is what the iPad looks like. This time around I had to wisen up. You know, when I bought my watch at the store, I bought my second strap there as well, but this time around I had to wisen up, and I made sure that I did not buy my screen protector and my case from them this time around. It was intentional. So I got this one from Amazon, and I also got this case, this pouch from Amazon. Yeah. So let's open up there. It's a Sunday afternoon. I just got back from church not quite long, so I'm like boom. Anyways, I got a silver because I didn't want to buy pink, blue, or yellow. I just wanted something more universal. So this is the upgraded version, by the way. It doesn't have any button, and I made sure that it was customized for my AirPod. That's also customized, and it's the same customization. See, it has Olasubomi. So my daughter's name is Angela Olua, and my own name is Olasubomi, as you know. So this is about to be our property. It's about to be our shared item, right? So I decided to customize Olasubomi on it, and it's sleek. I like it. Anyways, now let's go into the pencil. Let's see what the pencil looks like. So I'm just going to pop that open as well. Just pull that out. Okay, so this is the pencil. Comes with it's wrapped. Okay, all right. Yeah, so you can charge the pencil. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye.